You clean your home. You open the windows. You run the fans. Yet somehow the air still feels heavy, sticky, and uncomfortable. What if the real problem isn't what you can see, but the moisture hiding in the air around you? Today we're counting down the top 5 best dehumidifiers for house that can help transform your indoor comfort, improve air quality, and make every room feel fresh. Check the links in the description below for the latest deals, and let's get started. Now let's move to the next contender. At number 5, we have the Waykar 2,000 square feet. Most humidity problems begin quietly. A slight musty smell. A basement that never feels completely dry. A bedroom that somehow feels stuffy no matter how often you clean. That's exactly where the Waykar 2,000 square feet model makes its presence felt. Built with upgraded rotary compressor technology, this unit removes up to 34 pints of moisture per day while maintaining impressive efficiency. Designed for spaces like bedrooms, living rooms, offices, and basements, it helps create an environment that feels noticeably lighter and more comfortable. The adjustable humidity range from 30 to 80% gives you meaningful control over your indoor climate. Instead of accepting whatever conditions your home gives you, you're able to create the comfort level that works best for your space. Energy Star Most Efficient certification helps reduce energy consumption, making it more economical than many older dehumidifiers. Dual drainage options, multiple operating modes, and a washable filter add everyday convenience. The biggest limitation is its modest tank size, which may require more frequent emptying in very humid environments. Still, for families and homeowners looking for efficient, quiet moisture control without unnecessary complexity, the Waykar offers a well-rounded experience. Coming up next at number 4 is the AEOCKY 4,500 square feet. Sometimes humidity isn't limited to one room. It spreads throughout the home, creating damp corners, persistent odors, and uncomfortable living conditions. That's where the AEOCKY 4,500 square feet model steps in. Designed for larger spaces, this unit removes up to 80 pints of moisture per day in high humidity conditions. Whether you're dealing with a large basement, an open concept floor plan, or multiple rooms affected by excess moisture, it provides the capacity needed to keep conditions under control. One of its biggest strengths is its Energy Star Most Efficient 2025 certification. Combined with an advanced rotary compressor and copper pipe system, it delivers impressive performance while maintaining excellent energy efficiency. Compared with smaller models, it offers significantly more coverage and stronger moisture removal. The trade-off comes in the form of a larger footprint and higher initial investment. For homeowners facing persistent humidity problems or looking for a long-term climate management solution, this model delivers power, efficiency, and reliability in one package. Let's keep the momentum going. At number 3, we have the KEGIAN 4,000 square feet. Humidity has a unique way of making a home feel older than it really is. Even a clean room can feel uncomfortable when excess moisture hangs in the air. The KEGIAN 4,000 square feet model focuses on solving that problem without introducing another noise. Capable of removing up to 55 pints of moisture per day, it effectively handles bedrooms, apartments, basements, garages, and other medium to large spaces. The dual LED display and color-changing humidity indicator provide instant feedback on current room conditions. What truly separates this model is its ultra-quiet 35 decibel operation. Whether you're sleeping, working, or relaxing, it stays remarkably unobtrusive. 3 operating modes provide flexibility for different situations, including maintaining balanced humidity, drying laundry, or creating a quieter nighttime environment. While it doesn't offer the raw capacity of some larger competitors, it compensates with excellent portability, quiet performance, and ease of use. If you want strong moisture control without turning your home into a noisy mechanical workspace, this model strikes an impressive balance. Breaking into the top 2, the ToLife 1,000 square feet takes the number 2 position. Not every humidity problem requires a massive machine. Sometimes all you need is a compact solution that quietly improves comfort in smaller spaces. The ToLife 1,000 square feet model is built specifically for bedrooms, bathrooms, apartments, dorm rooms, and other targeted areas where excess moisture can become frustrating. Using semiconductor condensation technology, it steadily removes moisture while maintaining extremely quiet operation. The powerful mode handles daily humidity issues, while the sleep mode operates below 30 decibels, making it easy to forget it's even running. One feature many users appreciate is the 7-color ambient lighting system, which adds a cozy visual touch that larger utility-focused units often ignore. Automatic shutoff protection provides additional peace of mind, and the compact design makes moving it between rooms simple. Compared with larger models on this list, coverage is more limited. However, for people seeking an affordable, convenient solution for smaller areas, it delivers a comfortable and user-friendly experience. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list, we have the DECIUU 5,000 square feet. Taking the top position is a machine designed for homeowners who need serious whole home moisture control. The DECIUU 5,000 square feet model removes up to 100 pints of moisture per day under high humidity conditions, making it one of the most capable options in this lineup. Large basements, garages, storage areas, and multi-room spaces are exactly where this unit performs best. Its intelligent humidity control system allows you to set your preferred humidity level and let the machine handle the rest automatically. 3 drainage options provide flexibility for long-term operation, reducing maintenance and improving convenience. Energy Star Most Efficient certification helps keep operating costs manageable despite its powerful performance. Compared with smaller alternatives, it delivers significantly greater coverage and moisture removal capacity. The only real compromise is its larger physical size, which may be unnecessary for smaller homes. For larger households and demanding environments, however, its performance makes a compelling case. The DECIUU 5,000 square feet earns the winner's position because it offers the strongest combination of coverage, moisture removal, convenience, and energy efficiency. With up to 100 pints of daily dehumidification, smart humidity control, flexible drainage options, and whole home capability, it provides the most complete solution in this lineup. That wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best dehumidifiers. If one of these models feels right for your needs, you'll find all the links in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more buying guides and product reviews. A more comfortable home often starts with the air you can't see.